Ever wanted to create a talking avatar that looks and sounds just like you? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few easy steps using AI tools. Stick around and you'll have your own talking avatar by the end of this video. Today, we're learning how to craft a visually appealing and lip-synced talking avatar for your videos using powerful AI tools like Leonardo AI, Superlook AI, Elevenlabs, and Hygen. Let's dive in. First, we use Leonardo AI to generate our avatar image. This tool is fantastic for creating high-quality avatars based on text descriptions. Simply enter a detailed description like, create a photorealistic image of a handsome man in his late 20s wearing suit, and let Leonardo AI work its magic. You'll get a stunning image in seconds. Next, we give our avatar some personality with Superlook AI. This tool allows you to apply various styles, change outfits, and even tweak facial expressions. Keep your avatars fresh and engaging by experimenting with different looks. To maintain a professional appearance, we'll remove any watermarks using a watermark remover tool. Then, use a background remover like remove.bg to create versatile images that can fit into any context or background you choose. Now let's give your avatar a voice. Elevenlabs is perfect for generating realistic voiceovers. Enter your script, choose a voice from their extensive library, and generate the audio. Customize the tone and style to match your avatar's personality perfectly.
Finally, we need to sync the voiceover with our avatar's lip movements using Hygen. Upload your avatar image and the voiceover file, and Hygen will handle the synchronization, making your avatar appear lifelike and natural when speaking.
To recap, we used Leonardo AI to generate our avatar, styled it with Superlook AI, cleaned up the images, added a voice with Elevenlabs, and synchronized everything using Hygen.
With these steps, you can create a professional talking avatar for any project.
Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!